It's another evening in Ebusia. My mama wakwa ba yemfa umbra said Etea ni edwumadi so Adom TV. So your friend Daakyehene Nana yawo Asante yede Yankopon ase se ode ene so akyeye. Na wotwim ne bisumi a ansen ye be wura meye mu no behwe ye nkomodidie na it was really centered on the MPP Constituency polling station elections. Na ye hwe no mahodo isi wo polling stations ahodo and constituencies ahodo. Greater Accra ha wa wonim Crossroads South the CEO ho na wo say some of the delegates to me blocking police force here ma won kwan no monrem all because onu susu say enkrofo bi eyi woni din e de free register ni mo okopie mu dom kwabenya popular dom kwabenya. There was a press conference before was our constituency ni mu won dom MPP amanyoko no yeyi woni din e de free register ni menti ya ma won kwan amamanto aba. These and many other things ye pese ye hwe na obepie mu e won kran the General Secretary of the Greater Accra region wono Paka Odailai ono enenamine babetwetwe nkomo since ono na the engine of the party in the Greater Accra region. Or you be say why and how did he supervise all these things in the constituency? How are they going to resolve it? Sedea in general elections, some person will break it, it will not cause apathy in the constituency. Near here, or no one can contested as a general secretary for the region. Say Nipa and delegates at our constituency and a polling station, area coordinators and what is it bringing on board? What new? He has been in the office on an incumbent. What new is him bringing on board? You be this uncle mononi ahwe senior and humanity. General.
Many of them.
Maybe aboko.
Yes, or do maybe aboko also.
Nyame adom so hu ya na region mu so e.
Ya kra mu kakra obe ne de. Now just MPP Obama what track come up o. One of na Crossroads.
Sir,
I'm telling you, Etea also catch him the secret behind.
Oh,
say Etea one your bar for fefe bi so show sir. Now who pay be mama na pass me.
You better Christ was Yankopon na my age dey me.
Amen.
Now was say ya was wa she watade na wo gina we wonye better.
Well, me dey me feel say MPP Obama papa obu ntina nyame adom.
Nyame jase. Yen bra yen komo ni yen swiftly. Constituency elections. General Secretary for the region. At the end, I would put in place in Etea. The election seems to go swiftly without any hitches.
Yo, many of them are made us na near the kind of a year more shade na you will say party na in Shisha party here and say you have say party name Benya a peaceful election. And every constituency be an constituency election committee. But at the regional level, so yes, you share security. Because ye nipa die ni obeye bia 1 or 2 which is the oye bia edebe. Okankwe South. And ye one of the constituency been by P Abontia na Dede Kakra Koba ho and Domiko Abina. Meka say Greater Accra for some time they call a regional election, national elections. We go without some constituencies. You have to make call a court near the constituencies needing to make call. If my memory will serve me right, I'm saying Okankwe South 4 years ago, yeah, call Oman to me Uncle Tuaba, and some few other constituencies. Nyame adom because of regional executive you want your jumani send ya see ya DNT and there ya 32 already echna dey become 33 and the last one I also central there actually say the so kind it has been peaceful so far so good. Okay, the peacefulness they say 3 weeks to you start the election many police regional commander in painful you share almost every 2 days every 3 days. Ye planning senior be ya obi current tax or say obejina mechi bebo 5 mami sana ya zungo areas no mukana bebo 5 mami omuba na ntoto assembly ade enti ye hihye ni yi say obi bia me I was on radio everywhere TV everywhere saying say so ye MPP ne ba na odwen MPP ho yie na wo ye discipline to say MPP ne o respect party ni mra police na ye security. Me yi with him also ye macho man or security. Oh yes sir, the police will deal with you. And the first one now happened work out south. Aya part in money be a sorority police for. The police did their job.
But any say almost 413 people are yeah sponsor mudin dey free register.
Me nua be ma wo no ka as regional secretary of the party. Ni me party penny for. E be see na me nya petition be a kire say yi sango for.
But when you find the first vice chair out no constituency or say, look, I am the first vice chair, the deputy women organizer in the constituency, say I can't see my name in the voters register and I say register to Abana. Is it not problematic?
Me dawasi. Near woman say, so you're a constituency officer. You cannot be a polling station officer. Until within beba at the constituency level, within polling station level. Because you can hold two positions per the constituency organization. You can hold only one position. Yes. Until you can be a constituency deputy women organizer at the same time a polling station.
Yes, but it doesn't happen anymore. Yes, but Sani Pakrono, you have say or your first vice chair constituency. Until or right so tuaba.
Very
but Abon will call a nanny din.
And it is because lawyer Frank Davis was hollow, or no, the national rep, and I was MCE, a war Ningo Pram, so Latif. These are experienced politicians with deep party positions, constituency chairman for Sima, party Mrasepa. And when you are talking about an astute lawyer, to say Frank Davis, Mrano on Nembruso. And don't baby obema mranachia. The fact is say we a constituency officer say aboma ye kanakra udi ni aboma obi anim say we a constituency officer. Abranti first vice no madam for pa me one of my closest friend. Obetu aba. He came to vote. I was on the field with him. Maybe say baby wo ho problem wo ho me to me ahwa ma. So enya hwe election dey ekoso nti mama enkoso. Until later, I say what radio ni TV say ye or no DFM. I was in a total shock because no obin to me you need film because all your constituency officers. Every constituency there was 17 officers. And or first vice 17 officers. No, the other no kaya yet to about so. Unless of course, watch roll letter I said my resigning as first vice. Now make a contested polling station. Na semna amanfo kan say ye yi nkrofo dey free. Untumi you be free, dey free. The truth of the matter is say election is not an appointment.
Enti sa nkrofo na no more polling station or that day. Now blocky police for near the other. You saw them. Are they not members of your party?
Well, I cannot know all members in that way.
Yeah, by few now who
few I mean
you as a person you nimo no. You as a person you nimo no. You are not a novice when it comes to MPP and Greater Accra. And now we are general secretary. You know most of your people are in person.
Ade ba ko amanfo edi adanse wo me ho pa na say. Nipa no me ho once. The next time no me ho bi o ma me bogdin e kire wo bibia me ne. Me ne mo. O kan kwe south. Me ta ko ho pa. Time me nua be ma Honorable Daakyehene MP, me koko address meetings wo hono. Until me di ba gross support wo hono. E so leg down.
Okay.
Until me name delegates no bebre. Ba ko kan obi o contested second vice chairman. Na me ne nyina na ye ball wo North Carnation. Until se me ka se me ndim nkrofo e wo hono ma na me boa. But that particular day aye ka no. Nkrofo wo ho mu de wadanse. So I see my CB currently bass I was a sankrofo gu mo a omo ba ho asa omo create confusion.
Okay.
Na no so we politics na ye no. Enti me drew ho no nkrofo a me hye om pa na MPP fu a me name say omo ye MPP activist. I did not see them creating confusion at the gate before I entered. For those that I entered omo gina ho a omo so me mpini ni yes no. They were people that we don't know. In fact, back granting interview. One of the radio stations also a zonal youth organizer. There's a zone there, also Kaneshi zone. Meanwhile, in our MPP structure, there is Kaneshi zone. And I am zonal youth organizer. Nti clearly when we say obi na ache dash ahihye no say okokasa maye. And this thing happens in our politics.
Okay. Nti nkrofo be for na police for a cheer omo on that day no. Omo ye party ma.
Well, niameti and say your constituency or immediate past constituency organizer no can be.
Okay.
Na so no kra na edi nim na police for chi no. Omo mi nsana aka no me name some MPP for but am for dia dance some MPP for. Am for dia dance some MPP for. But it say me kan no. You be share program here see. I was everywhere, radio station, TV station can say MPP ni bia ukọ police station abana ukọ tu ukọ chire wadwe. Don't go to the center and misbehave. If you go to the center and misbehave, the police will arrest you. In fact, I told them myself as regional secretary, me ba center ni bi na me misbehavior, arrest me. So I went to Ablekuma Central, me constituency. Me ben ballot almost sort out me ben no. People raised alarm. Even regional secretary don't say, "Hey, me be you mo obi." Omo kan na police commander dey bear me. No can say this one. Oh, commander, is that the case? And I may move to Koichiri. And he said, me as the regional secretary of the party, me kra me di mbra yejuma, me di ebu ma police ah. Wo a wo share ma say don person dey ebu be ma police.
Dom Kobenya constituency mo MP ewo ho no. MP no MP / ono ankasa woni country ni money ade as a general secretary na ye kwakoto constituency election na the MP eni ho na a session of delegates in so about press conference say look I before omo ho ye yi omo di afrim. I know that thing came to your attention.
Many of them will last part of statement na amba menim. Ye ni anguna for na ye party. Ye wa anguna for mo hold a sensitive position in this party. Nti me jin this obi beka say omo ya anguna for nti ye omo ifim. Nti that misconception that has been told out there no. I will say in fact omo petition e da menima uhwemu a e din e do so wo mu pa ya kan for ni nkran for. Until there was no way I can near that menima ya chro mu dia ma me no. I'm not sure say anguna for be say 5 crowd. Until ye rape issues ni say no dey tribal issues no hwe ya na apapa yetem. And for me I think say near all the two just say young for no did not do the NPP any good. It is a bad politics, it's a bad propaganda. Na no you find politics. I don't think say NPP ni bia be pese angure ni owo NPP no you can say it is not true. I am seriously in doubt. Documents that many ma me ho no me ho
for document that with him no mo to me resolve answer mo go into the elections and I want to be resolve.
Many of them issue ni the e ba omo de court na party ni wo ni nhihye say bibi we party ba na bibi na wonti ase a number 1 who the constituency for antie wa ye ma 14 days who the call region 14 days region antie wa who the call national na antie wa ni amini abema general secretary ya ma ne ye mfese na oni ne mpede fo e hihye ye ma ye a reconciliation team.
The Sedea Park Committee.
Sedea Park Committee, no that.
And Crossroads say that committee doesn't function.
That committee function ye pa. Na so di wasem ne court no come anima. So person court they can wasem ma. And to di court no dey come anima. Why do you want them to sit on your case? Are we a party ba? Unim party sin share send na ye share. No sorry I'll say pa na me court.
Say na we go elections or china na ye ba betu aba. Na say o realize say wodin or register no anywhere. As a secretary, don't you think that to be able to halt the election you need to go to court instead of trying to approach it within the party? Answer a beg you documents na ya hwe mukwa na ya invite na ba na say na ya to awie.
Mini obeba ebi call constituencies ni bi call so constituencies ni bi omodi court. Obi si ya mami album. Until now pa court. Me call assistant secretary Greater Accra me hu album ni na me call me call regional secretary me hu album ni na me call we need depending on ejuma wo ye wo constituency ho in other constituencies ah metumi abobo a kire wo album yi a na register yi am for kan one seven no they did not get it but yet they went to election and won in Trobo constituency chairman Anachi the first vice chairman the first vice your friend Kwame Denchi abom ya ye ke omo ehun enim omo koye nkofo no because of omo dwumadi omo ye na ye to aba ne bebre ma omo
General Secretary in the Greater Accra region. That's you find one of your MPs, to say Adwasafua, who has not been at post for some time now. A party in the region. Well,
make us say me especially relationship I mean in the world until hamper. Apart from it, so a party in ye pa. But the truth of the matter is say, I seek permission from Parliament. Parliament in the NTA only Parliament. Omo so mo omo hihye ye enti me as regional secretary no me ne na de nkomo ba ko me no so wo meba somewhere December mo me ne di nkomo no so wo meba ampa oba ye na osan ko obe school program bi a me si bi school bi ano so okoye bibi wo do me kwa me o ye na okọ obi mu okọ no me di pass o chro kata ko to Parliament o reason ti otio.
And to those callings,
yeah, can't say party, no. At this critical time in the year, yeah, young the power. We some of us are not comfortable because the constituents have voted now for a reason. For how long will you stay outside? I want to be born more money. Say as a problem A, B, C, D, T, na me wo baby ame wo. By your first time I see you, a sida.
In Crawford now, more say, look, let's sack her from the party. You in free Parliament,
Well, make us say this is maintain part of the story. And to me, me feel say, I was say you shed me Etea abanesa. We can conclude by saying say you pound all because you feel say Ebia or Wabruche. Near hard doing say over social media over one na me nyumi no dey atum no osa. And no a man Ghanaians who dey say Ebia and now the constituency who say Ebi or dear more for. And I will plead say Ebi or young way tape no share be now there. So social media it is not proper. Say Ebi I say yare no san no na bibi no ye wo ho or betwa nyuma na or san ade e kire ni manfo. Yes na ko say you are joking with them.
Your friend or die like Parker ebusuan ye twan ho aba ye ba ye beto aso.
Abusia pedin the Reverend Pamina Aida. Me gidi say ye dwumadeni na wani gihon ye videos ye talk shows ni dwumadeni na de hia me pa ne se na be ya won sabaka ye dwumadeni no 24/7 wo mu bell no wo de ponche so sa bell no ponche so ponche so biu na sa ponche so biu o ponche so 24/7 dwumadeni na e shasia kikro na won saka and follow us and share the page for commenting na so to no nyame shira.